Dear customers, welcome to Tohands version 4 Smart Calculator demo video. So when you receive your Smart Calculator device, you will receive it in box like this. Okay. When you open the box, you will get the device. Okay. This is how your device will look. Just a second. Keep the box aside. When you press the power button, it will switch on the device. And first thing you will notice about the device, this is very small and steady device. It comes with two Type-C USBs. One is for the charging, where you can connect your charger. And second one is for the printer cable. Okay, so if you have printer, you can connect the printer with this device also. Let's get into a detailed demo of your Smart Calculator device. Once you switch on the device, you will receive "Hello, I'm a Smart Calculator," and let's set up the device. You have to press enter button to get started. Once you press the enter button, it will prompt you to download the app. Then you press enter and it will ask for an enter 6-digit code. The code that you can get on the app here on this tab. So you press this tab, you get this code. So in my case, the code is 9417993. Once you input this code on the device, you have to press enter. The mobile number will receive an OTP. Then you press enter again. So I receive this OTP 7801. Once I enter the OTP, I have to press enter. Okay, now this device is logged in successfully and this device is connected to the app directly. Now, if you are a shopkeeper and you want to record a transaction, you can do a calculation like normal calculator. Okay, and this is the final amount. Okay, you can press sales for recording sales and expense for recording your expenses. You can also add your customer detail by pressing on this customer detail icon. Okay, here you can input the mobile number of the customer and then you press it back to go back to the screen. And once you record this transaction, you can change the payment type from cash to UPI to inside UPI you can also change the multiple apps are there. Okay, so once you go to UPI, you can also shift to PhonePe, GPay, Paytm. Okay, so let's say this transaction is done by GPay. I will select GPay, then enter.
Previous transaction saved.
Give you audio confirmation of transaction and it will create a dynamic QR here. And once you press enter again,
Receipt.
it will give you
46
audio confirmation.
rupees.
And you can scan and make this payment also. Now the best part is you can sync the data real time to the app. You can see 46 rupees is received here. It comes with the customer detail also. So this mobile number, everything, the GPay, payment type is online, this is the date and everything. Okay. Now this is how the bookkeeping part of things work. Let's come to the how to go and do billing on this device. So you have to press sales button when your device is on 0. Okay, you press the sales button to enter the billing mode. Okay, now if you want to see what are the items that are there in the device, you have to press this MRC button. Okay, it will show you all the items that are there in the device. Okay, if you press it again, you go back to the billing. Okay, and if you want to add items, you have to go on the app in the billing option and inventory. You can add the items here also. Okay, for now I have added these items, so I will create a bill on this. So first thing is I will add item ID 1, that is chai, item ID 2, that is coffee, and item ID 3, samosa. And this is the final amount, and I will press enter.
Previous transaction
It will
saved.
save the transaction and it will create a dynamic QR for the customer to make the payment. Okay, and the best part is it will also sync the device, sync the bill here. So now you can see the bill here. Okay, and you can share the bill also. Okay, so billing is very simple. Now let me tell you the best part. You can also connect a printer and cash drawer with this device. So all you have to do is buy this kind of printer, connect the Type-C cable of the printer in this side. Okay, now let's do a billing. So you press the sales button, you enter the billing mode, you press the item ID, coffee, and I will do samosa. Okay, this is the 3 items that I created the bill for. You have to press this button GT for printing this bill. Okay, now you get the bill also of the transaction and you can press the enter button
Previous transaction
to save
saved.
this transaction and it will sync with the app. Okay, you can see it here. So with this device you can record your sales and expense completely and it will give you the dynamic QR for customers to make the payment and complete bookkeeping of your shop. In the app you have report section to download your PDF and Excel sheet reports. Okay, you can customize it. You have customer tab. You have customer tab where you can see all the customer that you have listed down. You can see individual customers ledger also and send them payment reminders as well. Okay, in the dashboard you can see all the transaction that you have done and you can filter out the transaction based on the payment mode, device type, device ID. and you can add multiple devices on a single app. Okay, so with this Tohands Smart Calculator, we enable you to keep track of your sales and expense on a single app. Thank you so much.